You're welcome to Cloud 360 Computer Tech. As I promised, I am going to take you data analysis from the scratch to the advanced level. Okay, today this is more of what we did in our previous video. Assuming that you are working on the student result sheet, this is the serial number and this should be names. But inside that names is going to contain two columns where I am going to have this thing, like this is names. I am going to have from here up to this place to be English, and down to it I am going to have something like CA, test, exam, and total. Now see what I mean here. Watch closely on what I'm going to do. This is names. If I say names, right, then take a look at this, and this place I want CA to be here. This is CA, CA, this is test, this is exam, this is total. Good. Now on this is going to be for one subject. Then I will still have exactly what I have here again. I will copy this and paste it here. I will copy this and paste it here. I will copy this and still paste it here. Do the same thing to this and paste it here. Now I still want to have multiple this thing. This is Ctrl V. I still want to have multiple this because I want this thing CA, test, exam, total to serve for one subject. This is another subject. Assuming I want to add another subject, making it 3, what I'm going to do is to come to this place. I'll highlight this up to total. I will copy it once. I will come to this place. I'll say Ctrl V. That's another method. I know why I'm teaching you this from the scratch. Now see what you do here. But I want this thing now from here now to this place now to be what? One subject like English. What I have to do is to come to this place. I will highlight up to this. I will come to this place now. Just pay close attention. I will look for this merge and center. This is merge and center, right? I will merge it so I can be able to say English. This is my English. Good. I will still do the same thing here. And I will come here, merge and center. I will say that's my mathematics. Good. I will still do the same thing here. I can call this my physics. Merge and center. I will call it physics. Okay. This is what I have. Now from this place now, I want names of students to be, this is James. But bear it in mind, you can't put someone's name here. Let's say if I put James, let me show you something. If I say that this is James, but the column of James now is CA, test, exam, total, and blah, blah, blah. So how am I going to do it? I can't be able to record this student on this place. So what I'm going to do now is to merge this, right? I have to merge these names and James. So I will come to this place. I will click on this. I will highlight it. I will say merge and center. So I can be able to put James here now, right? This is James. Good. Now, but the problem is, look